to my channel. Today we're going to make a Buddha bowl, so stay tuned and we'll get started. We'll leave the ingredients just in the next slide so you can take a screenshot and make one yourself. So first thing I'm going to do, onto my baking tray, just going to pop one sweet potato. I've got a really large one here, or you can use two medium ones, and I've just peeled it and cubed it. So now our sweet potatoes on, we're just going to give it a drizzle of olive oil. And then we're also going to season it with some salt and pepper. And I'm also going to sprinkle over some garlic granules. And a little bit of oregano. So now that's all mixed, I'm just going to give it a quick mix with my hands. So now I've mixed all the ingredients together with the sweet potato and given my hands a quick clean. I'm going to pop that into the oven at 180. These will roast up for about 45 minutes in total. What we're going to do after 25 minutes is just pop back and pop the other ingredients on. So I'll see you in 25 minutes. While my sweet potatoes are in the oven just roasting up, I'm going to make the dressing really quickly. So first of all, it starts with 1 tablespoon of tahini here, or you can use almond butter or peanut butter or something like that. And into that I've got the juice of half a lemon, or you could do half a lime. And then I'm also going to add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, along with a bit of black pepper, touch of salt, and a little bit of oregano. And now I'm just going to give that a little whisk just to combine it. That's my dressing made. If you do want it a bit thinner, you can actually thin it out with a tablespoon of water. I do like it a bit thinner to drizzle over. So that's going to stay off to the side until we're ready to drizzle onto the top of our bowl. So it's been 25 minutes with my sweet potatoes in the oven. And now onto that I'm going to add 1 broccoli. And I'm using all the florets and the stalk as well. With the florets, I just like to cut a little line in them so that they cook a bit quicker. And then I'm also going to add 1 onion I've got and 1 pepper that I've chopped up. And then I'm going to give that all a drizzle over with some more olive oil. And season up with some salt and pepper. And then a sprinkling of garlic granules. And a last sprinkle of oregano. And now I'm going to return that back into the oven for the remaining 20 minutes. So it's been 45 minutes in total since all my veggies have been roasting, so I'm just going to get it out the oven. So now what I'm going to do is grab a bowl, and I start with a base of sweet potatoes. onto them I'm going to put some onions and some peppers, and then some of my broccoli. And then on top of all my veg, the last thing to put is some chickpeas. So I just empty a tin of chickpeas with their water into a bowl, and I'm going to sprinkle my chickpeas on the top. So don't throw away your chickpea water when you've finished with it. That does come in useful as aquafaba, as a egg replacer, and I have got a recipe coming next week where we use that as a main ingredient. And then I'm just going to grab some of my dressing. And there you have it. So that's my finished Buddha bowl. So I'm off to go and enjoy that now. So I do hope you have enjoyed this video, and if you make your own Buddha bowl, please let me know what you use. It is a great way to meal prep, and you can keep it in the fridge if you've got leftovers. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click up here to subscribe, and click over here to watch my latest video. And don't forget to like and share if you have enjoyed this video. Thank you. Bye.